And this is what we are talking about now. Thank you very much for connecting with us. The Tibetan singing bowl, Tibetan healing bowl. So those are the Tibetan singing and healing bowl. You can find in many different size. You can find head size, even large size or very small size. And there will be always beautiful healing mantra outside, and there is always a beautiful flower. And this is, and even inside or outside there is lots of different mantras, and there is lots of beautiful flowers outside. So this is why most of the people they like to buy them, because it looks very beautiful, and also the sound and the vibration is very strong and very beautiful. See, this is a Tibetan singing bowl or Tibetan healing bowl, because there is all the beautiful mantra outside. Why they use this mantra? Normally, if you go back to the history of singing bowl, they are always come from Tibet. So still now we manufacture here, but we still want to keep that idea. We want to keep that all healing powers and the healing mantra inside our product. This is why there is all the beautiful mantra outside. Om Mane Padme Hum. Okay, this is Tibetan singing and healing bowl with the mantra on it. Thank you.